Quality challenges impact auto manufacturers in a number of ways. There's time on the line, there's hold up on the line, there's rework and redo, and anytime you have to redo something, it always has a downstream impact on warranty work. I think that there's sustainability issues. If you have bad parts and you're using a lot of different parts or need more parts because something got broken, that's a problem. And you can also train people up to perform better when you're monitoring and managing quality challenges. Quality is job one at a lot of auto manufacturers just by the way they do business, right? So there is a VP of quality. But in general, you've got people and you've got machines and you've got data. And it's how the overlap of those things is where you've got your best opportunity to do the best quality assurance. Traditional visual inspection systems are great and they're used all over the manufacturing spectrum. But the problem with it is they're hard to install, time consuming, often require a wired network, it takes a while to train the models, and they're expensive. So you add all of those things up and it's a real commitment to have a computer vision quality inspection at all your stations. The visual inspection tool that we're working with John Ward at the University of South Carolina on is unique in a couple of ways. The primary one is that it's using the 5G network. So it's using the 5G network to quickly install and train cameras, and in this case, we're using the iPhone 13s because they're 5G enabled cameras. They've got the AI and ML libraries on the device, and they can shoot high-res images or video up to a centralized server via the 5G network.